Hey guys, Fletch here from All Things Overlanding. On today's 3 Minute Thursday, we're going to be talking about a product that I actually don't remember where I heard about it from, but it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and it's also good for the environment. So if you want to hear more about this, stay tuned. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, on today's episode, we're going to be talking about a product that will save you time, it'll save you money, and it's also better for the environment. So what I'm talking about is this little guy right here. If you're not familiar with this, I wasn't until recently. What it is essentially is an adapter that allows you to take this end here and plug it into a 20-pound propane tank, like you would use on like a household grill. And then you take this end here, and you would hook up one of those small 1-pound propane tanks, like the Coleman little green or black propane tanks that you may use with like your small double burner Coleman grills, or even those single burner grills that sit on top of the propane tank, or your heaters. So like there's a lot of Coleman attachment pieces that will have like a heater or a buddy heater thing that will attach to the top of a small propane tank. But it basically makes those small tanks that you would normally have to figure out what to do with, or do you throw them away, or what do you do with them? Now you can just hook them up to a big 20-pound tank and refill them. So again, I'm pretty excited about this thing because I've gone through a lot of those 1-pound tanks and I just throw them away, and then I have to go find more and buy more, and they're not terribly expensive, but it's probably, what is it, for 3 of them it's maybe 10 or 15 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark, to fill a 20-pound tank, especially when you're exchanging one. I think it's maybe like $17, but you get 20 pounds versus 3 pounds for $17 instead of 15, right? So anyway, so this is a great little product. It's about $8 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description. So if you want to pick one up, just go down there and click and get yourself one of these. Again, pretty straightforward. So there's not a ton to talk about, right? Like I don't have to show you anything necessarily, but take the black plastic end, plug it into your 20-pound tank, screw it on till it's tight. Take your 1-pound tank, screw it on till it's tight, and then just listen for it to fill. And then when it's done, you'll just hear it stop. Like you'll hear the noise stop, and it'll be full. So again, definitely check this thing out. I think this is something that could save us all a bunch of money, a bunch of time. And again, it's kind of like recycling, right? Like instead of just getting rid of those 1-pound tanks, now you can refill them. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. I hope that gives you a new idea for a way to approach using the 1-pound tanks. On a future one, I may touch on, I also have a big long extended cable that has a 20-pound to 1-pound adapter, basically, where you could just take a big 20-pound propane tank with you on your trip and then plug it into like your Coleman double burner grill, or things like that with this adapter. So anyways, we'll get into that on a future episode. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please click the like button. If you have any other suggestions or any other ideas for ways to do this or anything similar, please comment down below. If you don't already follow me, go to Facebook, go to Instagram. I'm on all the major podcast channels. I have a Patreon channel, and my website's allthingsoverlanding.com. So again, however you want to, no pressure, but however you want to engage with me, I'd love to talk to you guys. I'd love to hear from you guys. So thanks again for watching, and have a good day.